Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Rolair compressor parts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for keeping your air compressor running smoothly and efficiently, ensuring that your tools have the consistent power they need to perform at their best, whether you're tackling a DIY project at home or managing a demanding professional job site. Making the right choice in replacement parts can significantly impact the longevity and reliability of your entire system. Number 5. Square D Pumptrol 9013 FHG Pressure Switch. Introducing the Square D Pumptrol Pressure Switch, designed for your compressed air compressor. It ensures optimal performance and control. This switch operates within a 95 to 125 psi range, providing accurate pressure regulation for your system. It features a built-in unloader function, which helps to reduce starting load and prolong the life of your compressor. The included on-off lever offers easy manual control, allowing you to quickly start or stop your compressor as needed. Built for durability, this pressure switch is a dependable component for maintaining your compressed air system. Specifically, the 9013 FHG12J52M1X model offers robust functionality for demanding applications. What we like. This pressure switch offers a precise 95 to 125 psi range, ideal for fine-tuning your compressor's operation. The integrated unloader and manual lever provide convenient control. If you need granular control over your air pressure and prefer a manual override, this is the perfect choice for your setup. What people say. The Rolair compressor parts are known for their durability and reliable performance, ensuring your equipment runs smoothly for extended periods. Users often praise the precise engineering of Rolair parts, which leads to a perfect fit and seamless integration with their existing compressor systems. The straightforward installation process for Rolair compressor parts is frequently highlighted, allowing for quick replacements and minimizing downtime. Number 4. Rolair JC10 Plus Electric Air Compressor. Introducing the Rolair JC10 Plus, your reliable electric air compressor. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use, making your tasks simpler. Experience robust performance with 2.35 CFM at 90 psi. This tool delivers the power you need, right when you need it. Its 1,725 revolutions per minute motor ensures smooth and efficient operation. You can count on consistent power for all your projects. Forget about constant upkeep. The oil-less design means less maintenance and less downtime, so you can focus on your work. With a 2.5-gallon tank, it provides ample air supply for extended use. This capacity is perfect for a variety of applications. Built to last, it features a durable cast aluminum cylinder. This construction ensures longevity and dependable performance over time. What we like. This compressor delivers a solid 2.35 CFM at 90 psi, suitable for various light-duty tasks. Its oil-less nature means less maintenance and more uptime. If you're looking for a portable and low-maintenance solution for inflating tires, powering brad nailers, or other small air tool needs, this compact unit is a great option. What people say. Rolair compressor parts are known for their durability and reliable performance, ensuring your equipment runs smoothly for extended periods. The design of Rolair compressor parts often incorporates features that enhance efficiency and reduce maintenance downtime, making them a cost-effective choice in the long run. Customers frequently praise the precise fit and easy installation of Rolair compressor parts, which simplifies the replacement process and minimizes the risk of errors. Number 3. Rolair 178D15 KIT Air Compressor Unloader Tube Kit. Introducing the Rolair 178D15 KIT, a comprehensive unloader tube kit designed for your air compressor. This kit ensures optimal performance and reliability for your equipment. Inside, you'll find everything you need: two 4mm sealing rings, a 39.5-inch aluminum tube, and both internal and external threaded fittings for easy installation. The kit features a robust 4mm diameter aluminum tube, measuring 39.5 inches in length. Its 1mm wall thickness ensures durability and longevity. Designed for a precise fit, the included M8 fittings, both internal and external, guarantee a secure connection. This ensures a leak-free operation. This kit is engineered for straightforward installation, allowing you to quickly replace or upgrade your air compressor's unloader tube. Get your system back up and running efficiently. Trust in the quality of this Rolair replacement part. It's built to deliver consistent and reliable performance, maintaining the efficiency of your air compressor. What we like. This kit provides all the necessary components to replace your Rolair compressor's unloader tube. The durable aluminum construction ensures longevity. If your unloader tube is damaged or you're performing preventative maintenance, this comprehensive kit will get your compressor back to optimal performance quickly and efficiently. What people say. The Rolair compressor parts are known for their durability and long-lasting performance, making them a reliable choice for professional use. Users appreciate the precise engineering of Rolair parts, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal function with their existing compressor units. The design of Rolair compressor parts often incorporates features that enhance efficiency and reduce maintenance downtime, contributing to overall productivity. Number 2. Rolair JC20 Super Quiet Air Compressor. Meet the Rolair JC20, a powerful yet incredibly quiet air compressor designed for your convenience. Its innovative design ensures minimal noise disruption. Experience its remarkably quiet operation, producing only 70 decibels. This makes it ideal for use in noise-sensitive environments without compromising performance. Built with a cast aluminum cylinder and stainless steel reed valves, this unit is engineered for longevity. Its robust construction ensures reliable performance over time. Operating at a low RPM, it achieves quietness while maintaining efficiency. This thoughtful design also contributes to a lower amp draw, saving energy. Safety is paramount with its automatic overload protection and a roll cage design that shields the pump and motor. It also includes a start-stop pressure switch and a safety relief valve for added peace of mind. This hand-carry portable compressor offers the power you need, wherever you need it. Its compact and durable design makes it easy to transport and use on various job sites. What we like. Experience significantly reduced noise levels with this super quiet compressor, operating at only 70 dB. The robust roll cage design protects the pump and motor, ensuring durability. If you work in noise-sensitive environments or simply prefer a more peaceful workspace, this unit is an excellent choice for its quiet performance and protective build. What people say. The Rolair compressor parts are known for their durability and long-lasting performance. Customers often praise the precise engineering of Rolair parts, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal function. The design of Rolair compressor components facilitates easy maintenance and replacement, reducing downtime. Number 1. Rolair PS2020M Air Compressor Pressure Switch. Introducing the Rolair PS2020M, a reliable pressure switch designed for your air compressor needs. Ensure optimal performance with this essential component. It features a convenient 1/4-inch male port for easy installation and compatibility. This ensures a secure and efficient connection to your system. Built for durability, this switch is made to withstand demanding work environments. You can count on its long-lasting performance. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to get your compressor back up and running quickly. No complex tools or expertise needed. Find this essential part conveniently on Amazon. Get the quality and reliability you expect from Rolair for your air compressor. What we like. This pressure switch is designed with a standard 1/4-inch male port for easy integration into your existing system. It ensures reliable cut-in and cut-out pressures for consistent air supply. If you need a straightforward, dependable replacement for your Rolair compressor's pressure switch, this model offers hassle-free installation and consistent operation. What people say. The Rolair compressor parts are known for their durability and reliability, ensuring a long service life even under demanding conditions. Designed for easy installation, these parts allow for quick replacement and minimize downtime for your Rolair compressor. The precision engineering of Rolair compressor parts guarantees a perfect fit and optimal performance, maintaining the efficiency of your equipment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.